full realization of the high calling, assume the office of the People's President of the Republic of Kenya. So help me God.
We categorically reject the provisional results of the presidential. 5. We therefore demand that the presidential elections be repeated within 21 days.
The time has come to change course. I wish to inform you that I have resigned as a member of Port Kenya. I hereby tender my resignation as a member of Parliament.
Mimi Raila Amolo Odinga napendekeza kwamba Mheshimiwa Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi achaguliwe kama mwenyekiti wa chama cha KANU.
And at this point, allow me to call the MCs for the day, the minority whip in the Senate, together with majority leader, the National Assembly.
No reforms, no elections. No reforms, no elections. No reforms, no elections.
Waziri mkuu anakuja kwa sherehe kubwa kama na hii ya serikali, PC hakuna. Unaambia PC mmeenda Nairobi. Kama Kibaki alikuwa anakuja hapa, PC angeweza kwanza kuja kwa hapa.
System images on a Dracula, hungry for blood and a small moolah. Wanna eat another same formula on a regular.
I shook the hand of Mr. Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi in March 2002, of President Mwai Kibaki in February 2008, and of my brother President Uhuru Kenyatta in March 2018. I want to assure Kenyans that we will continue with this handshake doctrine.